So, you want to start dropshipping in 2026, but you have little money? Or honestly, no money at all, and right now, that's exactly where a lot of beginners are starting. Because people see videos online talking about easy money, luxury lifestyles, and instant success. But almost nobody explains what starting with zero budget actually looks like in real life. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how people are starting dropshipping with almost no money in 2026, what actually matters in the beginning, and the biggest mistakes that usually waste time and kill stores early. All right, first, let's be honest about something important. Starting with no money does not mean completely free. What it really means is starting with the lowest possible cost, while using free tools and organic methods instead of paid advertising. Because if you think you'll build a huge business overnight without effort, that mindset usually leads to failure very quickly. Now, the first step, choosing a product. And honestly, this is where most beginners already make mistakes. A lot of people choose random products they personally like, instead of choosing products people are actually buying. So instead of guessing, start researching trends. Look at social media, short-form videos, online marketplaces, and viral products people are already talking about. The goal is finding products that solve a problem, save time, look interesting, or create emotional reactions. Now, here's another important thing. Do not start with a complicated product. Avoid items that are fragile, expensive, difficult to explain, or likely to cause shipping issues. Simple products usually work much better for beginners. Now let's talk about suppliers, because this part matters a lot. In dropshipping, you normally don't keep inventory yourself. The supplier ships products directly to the customer after someone places an order. That's why choosing reliable suppliers is extremely important. Bad suppliers can destroy your business very quickly through slow shipping, poor quality, or communication problems. Now, the next step, building your store. And honestly, this is easier now than ever before. Platforms like Shopify allow beginners to create online stores without knowing how to code. You can use free themes, simple product pages, and basic branding to get started. And no, your store does not need to look perfect immediately. A clean, simple, trustworthy design is usually much more important than flashy effects. Now, here's the biggest thing beginners misunderstand. You do not need paid ads immediately, especially if you have no money. Instead, focus on organic traffic first. That means creating content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And honestly, short-form content is one of the biggest reasons. People can start with low budgets today. 1. Viral video can generate traffic without spending money on ads. Now, another important tip, do not try selling 10 products at once. A lot of beginners overload their stores immediately. Then nothing feels focused. Start with one product or a very small niche and learn how the process actually works first. That makes everything easier to manage. Now, let's talk about content, because content is everything in low budget dropshipping now. Your videos do not need expensive cameras. You do not need luxury setups. What matters is attention, fast hooks, clear demonstrations, emotional reactions, and simple editing usually perform much better than overproduced videos. And now, another mistake beginners make, quitting too fast. And honestly, this happens constantly. People post 3 videos, get no sales, and immediately think dropshipping is dead. But in reality, most stores fail because people stop too early before learning marketing properly. Now, here's something important. Nobody talks about enough. Customer trust matters more than ever in 2026. People are much smarter now when shopping online. So if your website looks suspicious, shipping times are unclear, or product pages feel fake, people will leave immediately. Transparency matters a lot. Now let's talk about profit expectations, because social media created unrealistic expectations for beginners. Most successful stores are not making millions overnight. Usually, People spend months learning products, content, customer behavior, and marketing before seeing consistent results. And honestly, treating it like a real business instead of a quick shortcut gives you a much better chance long term. Now, another huge advantage today, AI tools. AI can help write product descriptions, generate marketing ideas, improve branding, create scripts, and organize content much faster. And honestly, beginners today have way more free tools available than people had a few years ago. So, to wrap this up, if you want to start dropshipping with no money in 2026, focus on simple products, reliable suppliers, free store tools, and organic content instead of expensive ads. Learn how attention works online. Improve your content consistently. And stay patient while learning the process. Because honestly, most people fail not because dropshipping is impossible, but because they expect instant success without learning the skills first.